Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a artistic media drawing that I drew and then I made duplicates of it. And this line is 0.94 points, and I want to change it to a thicker line. Well, there's two ways you can do it, and because they're even, you can hold down the Shift and the alternate key and just go through them. And by holding down the Shift, you're keeping them all selected. By the alternate key, you're keeping them. So we're going to make them 3 points. So now all these lines are 3 points. So that's one way to do it. But if they weren't in an order like this, and they were sporadically put on your page where you could not do it, or it'd be a lot more difficult. I'm going to make an example here. Let's say they're just all sprung out, but remember 0.94 points. That's important. Go to Edit, find Object. We're going to find Object. Begin a new search. Find a outline, Property outline. Next, Width, exactly. But you need to change this to points. And we want to point 0.94. Next, Finish. Find All. Now we can go through and they're all 9.4. Let's make them 8 for the video to make them a little thicker. And that's how you could do it. Now let's back up. We could do this. A little bit easier, but depending on how you want to do it. Find and replace object. Replace pen outline. We want an outline in points. There's probably a way to set that. Whoop, I picked pixels. And we want 0.94, and we want to replace it in points of 8. Finish. Replace all. It went through there and replaced all those 0.94 with 8. That's pretty cool. If you had a drawing that you decided, well, that's too thin, and it didn't show up in your engraving or printing or however you want to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.